So when the game starts, I want the camera to be at negative 100 right off the bat. But right now it is going to, I think it's going like minus 10 or something. Or 0. Yeah, it's going right to minus 10. So we want it to start out about here. So what's happening there is in the script we are actually setting the target to 0. So we want to change that thing here. I think it's actually, yeah, it'll be setting in the inspector, so let's change it there. That is this vector 3 here, the camera target. So let's put it at minus 100. So that is the first thing, and the second thing I wanted to tweak was this UI here. So let's just anchor that down. It's the title panel we want to be up top. And those two can be in the middle. That way that doesn't scale all the way down. So let's give it a try. And just maximize. There we go. So the camera starts out looking at the sun, kind of in a good ratio. You can see Earth there. Zoom out. Shoot your little meteorites. And then you gotta zoom in and see if it hits Earth or not. Nope. Alright, that should be good.